If you want to know how to build an affordable summer skincare routine, then you need to watch this video. In this video, I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide on how to build your summer skincare routine from morning to night using Indian Pharmacy skincare products, everything under 500 rupees. So without further delay, let's get started. Starting with the AM routine. Step 1, cleanse. For the cleansing step, I have chosen Cetaphil Gentle Cleanser, which is recommended for normal to dry skin. It comes at 399 rupees for 125 ml of product. It has hydrating glycerin with vitamin B3 and provitamin B5, and it also comes with micellar technology that helps gently remove any impurities from your skin. It has a really creamy formula, so you won't feel any dryness or tightness after you wash your skin. And here is the demonstration on how to use it. Apply the cleanser on your damp skin and massage it gently for 1 minute and then rinse it off. However, if your skin is oily, there is another variant from Cetaphil cleanser which is recommended for oily and acne prone skin. It comes at 649 rupees for 125 ml of product. As I promised in the starting of this video that everything is going to be under 500 rupees, so here is an alternative. This is Saslic DS from Cipla. This comes with 2% of salicylic acid and it comes at 450 rupees for 60 ml of product. Well, salicylic acid is a beta hydroxy acid or BHA that helps exfoliate your skin. It is excellent for oily and acne prone skin and well known for reducing acne. It helps exfoliate your skin, unclogs pores, and controls excess oiliness on your skin and prevents acne. I want you to know how to use this product because the guidance is slightly different than the usual cleansers. I'm telling the instructions labeled on the product. Okay, so you have to take 2 pumps of the cleanser and massage all over your damp face, but make sure to avoid the eye area which is delicate and sensitive. Keep it for 20 to 30 seconds and then wash it off. Okay, step 2 is treating acne and control excess oil. Pimples are common during summer due to the mix of sweat and dirt and excessive oil production. And for that, a great product from Indian Pharmacy Skincare is Sibogel. It's great for the summer season because it helps control the excess oil and unclogs clogged pores. It has a lightweight gel texture that gets absorbed to your skin really fast. It comes at 250 rupees for 30 gram of product. Now it has 2% salicylic acid and 6% nicotinamide. Both of them are really popular for preventing acne. Salicylic acid helps to exfoliate, controls excess oil and prevents acne, whereas nicotinamide helps reduce acne swelling and fades pimple blemishes. And here is how to use this product. Use this on clean face. You can apply around your nose area where the pores are usually bigger and excess oils are produced. You can also use it as spot treatment like on your pimples or acne. Apply a nice thick layer of the gel and allow the gel to dry and get absorbed. You can apply this gel 2 to 3 times a day. Okay, step 3, moisturize. And for that, I have chosen Halogel Plus from the Indian Pharmacy Skincare. It's non-sticky, non-comedogenic, fragrance-free gel moisturizer. Halogel Plus comes with 2.5% of hyaluronic acid, whereas the other variant of this is Halogel, which comes with 1% of hyaluronic acid. Halogel Plus costs 349 rupees for 30 ml of product, whereas Halogel costs 270 rupees for 30 gram of product. Now, this moisturizer has sodium hyaluronate and glycerin for hydrated and plump skin. If you don't know what sodium hyaluronate is, this is the salt form of the popular hyaluronic acid. They have the same benefits on your skin. The only difference between them is the molecular size. Sodium hyaluronate has its small molecular size, so it can penetrate to your skin even faster. This gel moisturizer works as a great summer moisturizer, especially if you have oily skin. But if your skin is normal to dry, then you need slightly thicker moisturizer. And for that, nothing could be great than Emollient. You should definitely try out this great moisturizer from Indian Pharmacy. This became viral over the internet due to its efficacy. It has a lightweight lotion-like texture. It comes at 346 rupees for a big 100 gram of tube. It comes with emollients with a couple of antioxidants. It has urea, squalene and glycerin. All of them are going to keep your skin moisturized and hydrated for a long time. And the best part is this moisturizer is free from fragrance, essential oils and alcohol. And this lightweight hydrating moisturizer is a great addition to your summer skincare routine if you have normal to dry skin type. Step 4. Use sunscreen. Sunscreen is so important in your morning skincare routine. For optimum protection, you need to choose a broad spectrum sunscreen with at least SPF 30. And I have chosen a really affordable sunscreen from the Indian Pharmacy Skincare, which is Fix Derma sunscreen. This comes at just 220 rupees for 40 gram of product. And for the summer season, when the weather is hot and sultry, every skin type can use this sunscreen. Now, coming to its key features. It has SPF 30 plus and PA+++. It's non-greasy and lightweight, and it's especially great for the summer season when you sweat excessively. It blends so well and gives no white cast. It has both physical and chemical sunscreen filters, including the popular avobenzone. Apply a liberal amount of sunscreen on your face and neck. Okay, step 5. Do lip care. Your lip skin is delicate and thin, and it needs moisturization and sun protection. And for that, you need a lip balm with SPF. And a great pick for this purpose from Indian Pharmacy Skincare will be NMFE lip balm. This affordable lip balm comes at 175 rupees for 10 gram of product. It also has vitamin E and aloe vera extract. Use this lip balm in your AM routine to keep your lips moisturized and protected. It gives a beautiful glossy finish, and it comes with a very subtle scent that I like. Now coming to the PM routine. This routine will be with the almost same products. Step 1. Cleanse. And for that, I am using the same Cetaphil face wash. And if you have oily skin, then you should use Salicylic DS from Cipla. Again, step 2 is treat acne and control oil. For that, I am using Sibogel to treat acne and to control excess oil to specific areas like around my nose. Step 3. Moisturize. If you have oily skin, then stick with the Hyalogel Plus or Hyalogel. And if you have dry to normal skin, then you should go for another thick moisturizer like Emolient. As my skin is normal, so I like to use Hyalogel on my damp skin just after cleansing. And then I'm going to top it off with the favorite moisturizer from Indian Pharmacy Skincare, that is Emolient.
And step 4 is do lip care.
To treat your lips overnight, you need a lip mask. And for that, nothing could be great as Nip Care from Indian Pharmacy. This is a really affordable product which comes at 187 rupees for 20 gram of product. Now coming to its key features, it contains lanolin. Lanolin is a natural oil that is derived from sheep's wool, which is highly moisturizing and helps heal dry and irritated lips. It also forms a protective layer on your lips that prevent further damage. This overnight lip treatment is going to make your lips intensely moisturized just after you apply, and you will wake up with really soft and hydrated lips. So this is the whole summer skincare routine from morning to night using affordable Indian Pharmacy Skincare product. Everything under 500. I hope you found this video to be helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Check out the description box below for the products I mentioned in this video. Subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click the bell icon. I will see you soon in the next one. Bye.